was born in 46 and I'm 20 years old today. Now, Hello Dolly just premiered in the theater downtown, and I'm gonna drive there with my baby girl. And I'm loving every minute of it. Yes, I'm loving every minute of it. And you're never gonna take that away from me. And I'm cruising around in my pretty little daffodil. Now no one can do me anything, 'cause I'm just trying to get my thrill. I got all the things I need, money, house, and got it beat. I don't need to worry now. I wouldn't know how to get by with a little less. I will start the morning fresh. I won't become depressed. I will just consume the rest. I don't think this here will ever end. And I went woo. Give me more, 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 more. I will chop down all the trees in the woods in a human reach of an eye. And I will make you pretty little toys so that your pretty little eyes won't cry. And you will ask me, Papa, how come all the trees are gone? What you do at the forest go with all the animals, and how are we supposed to breathe? And I will say, stop your whining, you got your toys, what more do you want? I was only cruising in my pretty little daffodil. Now no one can do me anything, 'cause I'm just trying to get my thrill. Yeah, yeah. Woo! I got all the things I need, money, house, and got it beat. I don't need to worry now. I wouldn't know how to get by with a little less. I will start the morning fresh. I won't become depressed. I will just consume the rest. I don't think this here will ever end. And I went woo. Give me more, 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 more.
So tell them about how your role is impacted by you know? Yeah. Yeah.
Even aangegeven als er een bocht komt halen. Is het goed?
Ja. En mijn voeten stonden.
Ja, dat is goed. Iets zachter? Ja, als wij bijleiden.
26 and I'm 20 years old today. Now, Hello Dolly just premiered in the theater downtown, and I'm gonna drive there with my baby girl. And I'm loving every minute of it. Yes, I'm loving every minute of it. And you're never gonna take that away from me. And I'm cruising around in my pretty little daffodil. Now no one can do me anything, 'cause I'm just trying to get my thrill. I got all the things I need, money, house, and got it beat. I don't need to worry now, I wouldn't know how to get by with a little less. I will start the morning fresh, I won't become depressed, I will just consume the rest. I don't think this here will ever end. And I went woo, give me more, 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 more. I will chop down all the trees in the woods in a human reach of an eye. And I will make you pretty little toys so that your pretty little eyes won't cry. And you will ask me, Papa, how come all the trees are gone? What you do at the forest go with all the animals, and how we supposed to breathe? And I will say, stop your whining, you got your toys, what more do you want? I was only cruising in my pretty little daffodil. Now no one can do me anything, 'cause I'm just trying to get my thrill. Yeah, yeah. Woo! I got all the things I need, money, house, and got it beat. I don't need to worry now, I wouldn't know how to get by with a little less. I will start the morning fresh, I won't become depressed, I will just consume the rest. I don't think this here will ever end. And I went woo, give me more, 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 more.
Hoe vond je het om hier vandaag op circuit te rijden met de DAF Club?
Ja, apart. Veel hoogteverschil. Ik had nog nooit eerder op een circuit gereden, dus het was wel een leuke eerste keer.
Ja.
Nou, geweldig. Het is gewoon hartstikke mooi om met alle leden van de club hier te zijn. Een rondje te maken op het circuit. Zwaaien naar mensen, de aandacht die je krijgt. Ja, het is gewoon geweldig.
Ja, en volgend jaar weer?
Als de DAF Club er weer bij is, meld ik me weer aan en hopelijk word ik geselecteerd. En dan ben ik er zeker weten weer bij. Absoluut.
Hopen dat we elkaar volgend jaar weer zien.
Zeker, zeker.
Ja? Super.